ensure optimal performance of your Merrithew Reformer, it's important that you take note and keep the rails and your rollers clean, and then you'll be virtually maintenance-free. To do that, you'll have a little kit, cleaning kit provided, and there's a soft cloth, it's dry, and always you'll see, especially in the beginning, there might be a little more residue come off the rollers. Make sure that's off. Then wrap the microfiber cloth around the cleaning stick and press it directly against the roller. Push the carriage away from your hands, cleaning any dust or residue from the roller and rails. Then pick it back up, put it against the roller, and you'll feel if there's anything on there. And it'll be amazing how smooth that is. On the front, again, make sure you're going away from your fingers. So we start here and move the reformer towards the back. Take your hand out, place that against that roller, and move it away from your hands. Great.